Hi, I'm Suehlan. I've been a Unity Health patient since 2018 and a volunteer since 2019. It makes my life easier to have my health information at my fingertips through MyChart. Before an appointment, I can check in online on my own schedule. Whether it's in the evening or on the weekend, MyChart is always available. Being able to do that before my appointment saves me time when I come in and lets me focus on why I'm there, to receive care. I also love knowing that the information I'm seeing on MyChart is the same info my healthcare team is seeing.